story about that, tubers. I guess this is going to be a two-parter because the camera fell and it stopped recording. So, as you know, the generator did start. So, right when it fired, it fell off. The camera fell off the gas tank. So, and we lost power for some reason. There we go. I have to try to do all this one-handed. One hand has to start it, one hand has to choke in camera. So it just won't stay going. Almost like the fuel pump's not working, but I imagine it is. It's a brand new fuel pump when I bought this, so some smoke in here. It's too bad we'll have to turn on the exhaust fan. So let's try it again. Yeah, it's just running on what I put down the carb. Or there's an electrical issue. Something's going wrong here. I don't think I'm getting proper juice to the fuel pump. 1 minute here. Turn on the exhaust. Also, this does have an issue of fouling up the one spark plug, but I don't think it's foulable because it hasn't ran. Yeah, she has to be just running off the carb of what I put in the carburetor. So, I think there's an electrical issue with this that's not sustaining fuel pressure, and it's just not running. That is full. The fuel filter's full. I don't know. Or when the guy put this fuel pump on here, he didn't put a high enough velocity, which doesn't necessarily make sense. A little bit of smoke coming out of the exhaust. That's the issue with this. The fuel pump only runs when you hit that switch. That's why I gotta try to put a primer, some sort of like a primer system on for the fuel pump. Yeah, she won't stay going. My jumper pack's practically dead anyways. Unhook it. Nothing off the battery. There. Let's go back outside. Shut that off. So if anyone has any ideas, sorry for this being a two-parter, but some people don't like that, but who cares? If anyone has any ideas, so yeah, my idea is I've never ever opened this up since the time I bought this generator. I got two generators now, two 4000s, at least that's what I was told. This one's a 4000. It could be more. I know it's not less, so leave that open so it doesn't. So the gas can breathe. So yeah, I think it's fuel pump related. I think if I was able to put a switch in here to prime the fuel system, and then you click it to start it, or key on the start, and then you'd know. I got a couple little voltmeters in the house, similar to that one right there. Also, I gotta figure out a charging system on this. This thing does not charge. Basically, it runs just off the battery until the battery would die, basically. So, if any of you Onan guys out there know if these things do have a 12 volt off of them, it'd be greatly appreciated to know. I don't know if the 12 volt circuit on this is no good or what. See, this thing's never been out in the rain. Or when it's been out in the rain, it's been covered, so nothing should be corroded in it. So that concludes this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It did run, which is good. So I know it will start up in the cold. It's just a matter of getting it to stay running in the cold. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll talk to you guys all later. Keep it redneck, and please subscribe and comment. Bye for now.